This is a review of the Batman Lego set, Batmobile, the Penguin Chase. This is pretty much from the movie that came out 2 years ago. And this is a pretty cool little set that you can build. It's very quick, 392 pieces. It's perfect for a showpiece or just to have around for the kids to play. So out of the box, you get this booklet, which pretty much tells you how to build it. It's very in-depth and, of course, very, very easy to read and to understand. Now let's look at the actual product after it's finished. And here we have the Batmobile. It comes with the Penguin. I don't have it here right now, but this is the finished product of the Batmobile that you're going to be looking at. And it's a great little showpiece. These are not like electronic wheels or anything like that. It's just on rollers. And here you can see it's pretty detailed. You had the wheels, you had the little flames to shoot out, and that you can have a passenger in the cockpit if you want to. I don't have it in here. This comes off. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Very easy to build, maybe 1 hour tops. And it's a great piece to have just laying around for a showcase. And if you're a big Batman fan, then this might be for you or someone you're buying it for.